Hey there, welcome to the Explainer. Today we're tackling a word you hear all the time, median.
I mean, you hear median income or median house price, right? But what does that actually mean?
Okay, so the median is literally just the middle number in a sorted list of data. That's it.
Think of it this way. It splits everything right down the middle, 50% below, 50% above. So how do you find it? It's just two easy steps. Let's jump into a quick example. Okay, first up, let's take a set with an odd number of values, already put in order. See? The number right in the middle, that's your median. Easy, right?
But what if you have an even number of values? Then what's in the middle?
In a case like this, you actually have two numbers in the middle, 10 and 12.
So what do? Simple. We just find the average of those two.
And there you have it. 11 is our median. That's the trick for even-numbered sets.
Okay, now for the median's real superpower, how it deals with those crazy outliers.
So picture a set of numbers where one value is just way out there, totally different. And here's the key takeaway. Unlike the average, the median isn't phased by those extreme values. Look at this. Even when we swap 20 for 200, the median doesn't budge. Still 12. And that's the huge difference between median and mean. The mean, or average, gets totally skewed.
Just check out how that one outlier pulls the mean way up to 48. The median stays put.
So here's the deal. For things like income or house prices, the median is way more realistic.
That's exactly why you see it used for stuff like income, age, or home prices.
Bottom line, the median shows you what's truly typical when you've got those extreme numbers.
So, next time you hear a stat, you'll know to ask, wait, is that the mean or the median?